By 2026, AI will no longer feel optional. It will feel unavoidable. Most people will realize this too late. AI will stop feeling like a tool. It will feel like infrastructure, like electricity, like the internet. AI is no longer learning. It is executing. It writes. It designs. It edits. It analyzes. It predicts. It negotiates. What once required a full team now requires one person with AI. What took weeks now takes minutes. What was expensive is becoming cheap. Here's the part people misunderstand. AI does not replace people. It replaces inefficiency. And inefficiency exists in most jobs. AI will not eliminate work. It will eliminate roles. Entry-level jobs shrink first. Middle management compresses. Routine cognitive work disappears. If your role is repetitive, rules-based, or heavily process-driven, AI is already competing with it. This is not blue-collar versus white-collar. Office jobs are affected first. Marketing, finance, law, design, human resources, customer support, journalism. Manual jobs will last longer than desk jobs. The real shock is not job loss. It is the collapse of career ladders, fewer junior roles, higher expectations from day one. Now look ahead 10 years. 3 changes become permanent. First, productivity separates from headcount. Companies stop scaling by hiring people. They scale by upgrading tools. Small teams using AI outperform large teams without it. Second, intelligence becomes cheap. Judgment becomes valuable. Information is everywhere. Decision-making is rare. AI provides answers. Humans are paid for context, strategy, taste, ethics, emotional intelligence. Third, careers become non-linear. One profession for life disappears. People rotate between building, consulting, creating, and owning. Adaptability becomes the safest advantage. The winners are not the most technical people. They are people who ask better questions, understand systems, combine skills, learn quickly, and unlearn when needed. AI rewards leverage, not effort. One person with AI distribution and authority can outperform entire departments. This creates opportunity, and it creates inequality. Those who use AI multiply their output. Those who ignore it fall behind quietly. The biggest misconception about AI is this: AI is not coming for your job. It is already working for someone else. The divide will not be human versus machine. It will be people who use AI versus people who do not. AI will not replace you. Someone using AI will. So what should you do? Do not panic. Do not chase every tool. Learn how AI fits your industry. Use it to think faster. Automate repetitive work. Strengthen your judgment. Focus on skills that compound. Decision-making, communication, creativity, strategic thinking, and focus on ownership. People who own systems, brands, or intellectual property will thrive. People who only sell time will struggle. AI does not care about your degree, your job title, or how things used to work. It rewards clarity, speed, leverage. The future will move forward with or without you. The question is simple: will you use AI or compete against it?